Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths in Studio. Today we are going to solve this expression for the value of x. So as you can see, we have four terms here: x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7, x plus 9 equals 9. So if we group these terms as shown, so we are grouping x plus 3 and x plus 9 and x plus 5 and x plus 7. The reason being 9 plus 3 equals 12 and 7 plus 5 equals 12 as well. So what it will do is, we'll have one common part in both the quadratic equations. So as you can see, x squared plus 12x is the common part. So we can assume this part as a new variable, let's say y. So here y is equal to x squared plus 12x. So the equation now becomes y plus 27 and y plus 35, the product of them being equal to 9. So if we solve this expression for the value of y as a normal quadratic equation, we'll get the value of y as follows. So the determinant for this quadratic equation and the solution for this equation is y equals minus 26 and y equals minus 36. So now y is equal to x squared plus 12x. So if we solve it for both values of y, the values of x we get are minus 6 plus square root 10, minus 6 minus square root 10, x equals minus 6. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with more videos like this. Thanks once again.